Ito ang pangatlong reaksyon ng hetero.
Great name. I had an aunt named Olivia. She died.
Pag na-awkward ka, tas kung ano-ano lang pinagsasabi mo, can relate. Yeah, sobrang hot ni Olivia, mukhang wala ka talagang chance. Base pa lang sa itsura, mukhang hindi yan LGBT. Hindi, talaga siyang tumatakbo, talaga siya sa tako. Dahil nagdadaldal si Queen tungkol sa patay niyang tita. Ito na naman si... Talaga ba? Bakla ka?
You ever consider becoming a cloistered nun? I feel like a veil sounds could do wonders for you.
Paano kung may vocal Tourette's ka, vocal
Totally straight.
Not straight.
He's definitely straight.
Sumasang-ayon ako kay Mickey at Saray. Meron bang ganung kahat na babae na hindi straight?
Chance of being gay? You walk away.
That's right.
Hey, don't worry. Things will get easier when the restraining order comes.
Restraining order. Sana makapag-ganon din ako para di na makalapit ang liwayway.
Name homos. By erasure. Bullshit.
Grant Fleming. Oh my god. Isn't he a
Furry! Ayun na, sisigaw ng liwayway. Di ka nanonood ng Thundercats!
Freshman year. Homecoming. Our eyes met from across the dance hall. In the bathroom, our lips touched.
May gusto pa pala humalik kay... Bida. Baka lasing na si Grant.
The love of my life.
Alright, here's the plan. We make friends, spread our gospel like degenerate missionaries among straight society, and then we eat cake.
I'm allergic.
Man, imagine mo allergic ka sa cake. Ang lungkot siguro ng mga birthday niyan. Pag di makakain ng cake.
But paired with the hot girl.
Isn't fate magical?
Give it up.
Kapalaran may Ash, dinaya mo lang ang palabunutan.
I'm just picking her up.
From what exactly?
Cheerleading. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
Cheerleading. Red effing flag.
Really?
Not that it would matter to you.
Shut up. You know I'm in love with her.
That's what I'm saying.
Halos di mo siya
You're in
kilala,
the
in
deep
love
end,
ka sa
and not
kanya.
even the underpaid teenage lifeguard can save you. Then you're the bridesmaid at her wedding to Grant Fleming.
Scenario. Hindi may in love si hot girl sa furry.
They all listen to
Saan ang galing yung tingin mo sa mga sabing mga straight na lahat kami nakikinig sa country? Oh, Queen, sobrang inlababo mo.
Hi.
Mukhang masama kahihinat na nito para sa'yo. Jolene, please don't take my man.
Shut up.
Eh, babae gusto ni Queen si Olivia.
Hey. Kinds. A variety. I'm a variety. What?
Mukhang nahahawa na si Queen kay Mickey. Bada. Gay.
Yeah, how's that going for you? Well, I am...
Bakit ganun sila mag-pronounce? Whale? Pati si Mr. Collins ganun, yung English teacher.
So you want something? Do you want something?
Nice comeback, Olivia. Magaling na pagbato ulit pabalik ng tanong kay Queen.
A muffin?
Nice save, Queen. A muffin. Galing umiwas sa tanong.
Well, I'm gonna go get that, and when I come back, you can be not like this.
Si Queen, not like that. Imposible.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
Ito ang pinakakahalimbawa ng over-attached friends. Sobrang dikit na kaibigan. Yeah, totoo. Mukhang pinaglalaroan lang siya ni Olivia eh. Yep. Walang senyales na mukhang LGBT si Olivia.
A moonlit picnic.
Ayaw ko sa picnic. Kakain ka sa labas, literal na labas, outdoors, tapos may mga langaw, may malakas sa hangin.
When you ask her out to prom, pick a good pun for the sign.
There's no way. Imposibleng sumama si Olivia kay Queen sa prom.
Can I get back to my platonic date now, please?
Yeah, platonic.
We believe in you.
Hanggang friend zone ka lang.
Well, we think you're somewhat capable.
Sarili mong kaibigan, di naniniwala sa'yo.
The newspaper's a terrible disguise. Everybody knows gay people can't read.
Huwag mo nga isali sa aming mga mangmang yung Becky.
Do you ever think about how close
So hindi na kayo malapit
You ever think
ngayon?
about how close
Ba't lagi
you
pa
were
rin
to
nga
the best
magkatabi?
part of your miserable existence?
Talaga? Ikaw? Pinaka-importanting bahagi ng existence ng isang tao, bada.
That time at the Pizza Hut, when you and I at the Pizza Hut,
We've been to a lot of Pizza Huts.
when we kissed.
Ganto na ba talaga mga teenager ngayon? Naghahalikan sa bathroom ng Pizza Hut. Same gender pa.
Cool.
Oh,
I'm
nasasaktan
sorry.
si Bada-Bada.
I thought we were already
May
playing
mixed
games.
feelings sa kanya si Cohen. Mixed signals pala.
Not at all.
Kunyari ka pa. Pero nagalit ka kay Queen sa Romeo and Juliet acting.
If I were to tell you I had a boyfriend, you would say,
I hope he likes guys with tiny little pebble nipples.
Iyo, paano mo nalaman yun sa detail ng human anatomy ni Cohen?
Wow.
That's very bad.
Yeah. So now what?
We talk like normal people.
Oh, that seems difficult.
Ako rin, nahihirapan mapag-usap na parang normal na
Favorite
tao.
color?
Dusty
Hindi ako
Rose.
magaling
So
makipag-usap.
pleased to make your acquaintance, protagonist from a One Direction
Oh,
fanfic.
so yours is so much better.
Maroon. Maroon is a very gay color.
Colors can't be gay.
Colors can't be gay. Hindi ba plug nyo, pride plug nyo, rainbow, bahaghari?
Coming out would go a little bit differently. Maybe later.
Later?
Yeah, like when it's 2 a.m. and we're looking up at the stars.
Who? Sino? Sino nagsa-stargazing ng 2 AM ng madaling araw? Sino? Gusto ko malaman.
What would we be doing right now?
Well, everything would be exactly the same, except those two people behind me wouldn't be watching us.
Si Olivia napansin kagad yung friends ni
when
Queen,
I
pero
sat
si Queen di niya
down.
napansin.
What did you tell me
Kailangan pa
about
siyang
me?
tawagin o sitsitan
If you don't
bago
tell
niya
me, it's
mapansin.
homophobia.
Okay, fine, yeah. I told them I was hanging out with my gay best friend person, who was a pretty cheerleader.
Oh, but who's the pretty cheerleader?
Ego boost para
Wait,
kay Olivia.
Am I the pretty cheerleader? That's gay.
Infinite possibilities. Gay second base is just like telling them all of your repressed traumas. What's straight first base?
I wouldn't know.
I don't know, boy toy?
Ganyan ka kahat, Olivia, wala kang boy toy. Maaring bakla ka.
Hard to find a good man these days.
But yet, it's so easy to find a gay best friend.
Oh, tama sila Saray. Magiging broken hearted ka pagkatapos nito. At ayun na ang pangatlong reaksyon ng hetero. Magantay sa pang-apat na reaksyon.